Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate IRS Form 1040 ES for estimated taxes, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate IRS Form 1040 ES for estimated taxes, begin by understanding what the form is used for. Form 1040 ES is necessary for individuals who need to pay estimated taxes. These taxes are usually for income not subject to withholding. First, gather all relevant income information for the year. This includes wages, self-employment income, dividends, and interest. Next, assess whether you will owe taxes in the current year. You are required to pay estimated taxes if you expect to owe at least a certain amount. That amount is typically $1,000. Access the IRS website to download Form 1040 ES. Locate the most current version of the form. Once you have the form, read the instructions carefully. The instructions guide you through filling out the form accurately. Calculate your estimated tax liability using the worksheet provided in the form. Make sure to include all sources of income in your calculations. After completing the worksheet, determine your quarterly payment amounts. Divide your estimated tax liability by 4 to find the quarterly payment. Next, choose your method for making payments. You can pay through the IRS website using direct pay. Alternatively, you can mail a check along with the payment voucher included in Form 1040 ES. If you prefer electronic options, consider using the electronic federal tax payment system. Once you've decided on a payment method, make your first payment by the due date. The due dates for estimated tax payments are usually in April, June, September, and January. Make sure to keep records of your payments for future reference. If your income changes throughout the year, adjust your estimated payments accordingly. Check the IRS guidelines for any changes to the estimated tax requirements. Finally, maintain a copy of Form 1040 ES and payment confirmations. This will help you during tax season when filing your annual return. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.